Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove Google account from your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. To remove your Google account, first you're gonna have to open Settings on your phone, then scroll down to Accounts and Users at the very bottom of the Settings menu, or Users and Accounts. Then select your Google account right here, and then tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Remove Account. Confirm. Tap OK, and then verify your identity by either entering the password to your device or using your fingerprint or your facial data. And right now, the Google account is removed. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.